Hi everyone, welcome back to LK Dinner Time. Today, we're making a mouth-watering stuffed chicken roll that's cheesy, creamy, and absolutely irresistible. This is the perfect recipe for a relaxing Sunday evening with your family or friends. Before we start, don't forget to check out some of my other delicious recipes by clicking the link above. You'll find plenty of quick and easy dishes to try. Now, let's get started. First, take 2 chicken breasts and carefully slice them open. Tenderize them well using a kitchen mallet to make them thin and even. Season the chicken with salt and black pepper to taste. Rubbing it in so the flavors absorb nicely. For the filling, take 100 grams of mozzarella cheese, 2 teaspoons of chopped garlic, and 2 teaspoons of chopped parsley. Mix them together. Then, add 1 teaspoon of mustard and 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise and mix until everything is combined into a creamy, cheesy mixture. Brush some of this mixture onto the chicken to make it extra juicy and flavorful. Spread the mozzarella mixture on top. Next, slice a tomato and take a slice of cheese. Place them onto the chicken, and then carefully roll it up. Brush a glass baking dish with coconut oil and place the chicken rolls inside. Apply the leftover mayonnaise mix over the top using a brush, and sprinkle any remaining mozzarella cheese on top. Bake at 360 degrees Fahrenheit, or 180 degrees Celsius, for 30 minutes. Once it's done, you'll have a golden, cheesy, and delicious stuffed chicken roll ready to serve. Thanks for watching LK Dinner Time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this recipe. See you next time. Bye bye.